In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task template in Clickup, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Clickup user or you're just getting started, creating templates is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and save time. So let's dive right into this quick and effective tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. It's known as the Everything app for work because it houses a plethora of features designed to maximize productivity and organization. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. To do this, simply click on the Login button, which should be prominently displayed on the landing page. After clicking Login, you might want to use Google's single sign-on feature for a swift and straightforward login. You'll notice an option to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click that for a seamless entry into your Clickup account. Once clicked, you'll need to select the appropriate Google account you want to use. Just click on your email or account name and you'll be directed into the Clickup workspace. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get started with the specific task you want to convert into a template. Navigate through your tasks list and select the one you'd like to template. You'll find this by clicking on the 3 dots next to the task name, which opens a drop-down menu of options. Within this drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Templates. Click on it to reveal further actions related to templates. Among these actions, select Save as Template. This option is crucial as it allows you to preserve the structure and details of your existing task to use for future projects. Once you've clicked on Save as Template, you will be prompted to name your template. Naming your template clearly and descriptively is essential for easy retrieval later. Consider including key details like the project type or its main objectives in your chosen name. After naming it, take a moment to review it to ensure it's accurate and comprehensive. Finally, once you've named the template and confirmed all the details are correct, click Save Template. Your task is now successfully saved as a template. This new template can be reused whenever you need to replicate the same organizational structure or task elements in future projects. And there you have it, your very own ClickUp task template created in just a few easy steps. Templates are powerful tools, especially in a platform as versatile as ClickUp. They ensure consistency, reduce redundancy, and significantly improve efficiency. If you repeat similar tasks regularly, using templates can save you a remarkable amount of time and effort. Thanks for tuning in and happy templating.